Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft is actually giving out warnings to IT departments that the time has come to stop using two factor authentication using text messages or SMS. And one of the reasons that it says this is becoming a problem is apparently because that AI, if you have such a feature, AI can actually easily bypass those types of authentication and still get access to accounts. So they are, of course, pushing hard. And, even before this announcement, Microsoft's pushing very hard on passkeys. Once again, passkeys are saved on your device. They are um, required to log in once you actually, want to log into an account. They will require the main device that got the passkey to authenticate. So that means if you try to get in with another device, it's going to say, "Oh, you gotta, you know, give us permission with the main device that you had your passkey." And once that happens, then you can, of course, create passkeys on every device you use. And it is known that passkeys are way, way more secure than anything that we're using right now to authenticate. I personally use passkeys on almost every account I have, even PayPal, which means that without the main devices that I use, it gets difficult to get into account. There are other ways it will still ask you, do you want to, try to authenticate in a different way, including two-factor authentication. But slowly, it is the new method to stay safe. And Microsoft is actually telling you that, yep, it's the best thing to do. Um, you know, passkeys, a lot of people are saying, well, passkeys, are no good. They're going to be hacked. No, you're not. They're on your device. If your device is not hacked into, it doesn't have any malware, passkeys are only accessible to you. My passkeys are actually accessible through face recognition. I put face recognition for mine, which means that if I try to get into PayPal, for example, on my phone, and I have never done it before, it's going to say, "Oh, you gotta, authenticate with the passkey," and I'll see that my PC's camera is actually looking for my face so that I can authenticate. So it really, really requires that you are the only one that have access to a way to, authenticate on accounts. And so it is definitely a very, very secure way of doing it. But Microsoft is actually pushing very hard now that this happens, and all accounts now. I like I said, PayPal. I think it's PayPal is pretty new for me on the passkey side. It asked me something like 1 month ago. Said, you want to use passkeys because it's going to be more secure than sending you a text message with a code on it. So this is, I guess, the way of the future. Passkeys will be replacing pretty much two-factor authentication, and passkeys can also be done with passwords on your PC. For example, in Windows, you can put a PIN to unlock your PC. And then you're going to say, well, isn't the PIN kind of simple and not? Well, the PIN is you're entering the PIN. It's entered by yourself to unlock your PC. It's not like entering a password online where you're in a different computer. So that's what makes passkeys secure. They are on your own devices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.